65% of water, 65% of solute are reabsorbed in the proximal tubule. What does it mean? It means here, suppose that here is Lumen's capsule. I told you the concentration of solute and water are the same. Do you remember? It means the solute, the filter is isoosmotic or isotonic with plasma. Am I right?
Yeah.
At the end of proximal tubule, what happens? Suppose that here is end of proximal tubule. 65% of water, 65% of solute are reabsorbed. Here, the fluid inside the lumen is isotonic, hypotonic, or hypertonic? Hypertonic.
Hypo.
Why?
Because
Equal amount of water and solute are reabsorbed. It is isotonic because water and solute are reabsorbed together. Okay? In equal amount, 65% of water, 65% of solute. Got it?
Yeah.
It is at the end of proximal tubule. If I ask you, the filtrate is isotonic or isosmotic with plasma. No question?
No.
Okay. Here there is no sodium reabsorption. Here 25%, 5%, 3%. Not need to memorize it. Okay. You are familiar with this transport mechanism. It is done in, it is seen in which part of nephron?
The proximal tube.
Proximal tubule. Thank you. Okay, you are familiar with this mechanism. And this one, it shows proximal tubule too. I told you this exchanger is found in the other parts of the nephron, but it means in proximal tubule there is secretion. Got it? Regarding proteins, I told you little amount of proteins are filtered. Okay, this amount is actually reabsorbed by pinocytosis. Do you remember pinocytosis?
Yeah.
A type of endocytosis. It needs energy as ATP. It is active transport. No question? And here, this mechanism shows that how chloride and water reabsorption are coupled with sodium reabsorption. Okay. Sodium is reabsorbed. Okay, it means sodium concentration is in lumen decreases or increases. Sodium is reabsorbed, is removed from lumen. It means sodium concentration decreases. Okay, when sodium concentration decreases, luminal negativity increases. Why? Because positively charged ions are removed from the lumen. Okay, it means it helps passive chloride reabsorption. Why? Because a lot of negative ions, such as chloride ions, are in the lumen. Was it clear? I think you are tired. Yes? On the other hand, be energetic, please. Please be energetic. I'll try to finish it. Yeah. Okay. Sodium reabsorption. When sodium reabsorbs water, follows sodium ions. Why? Because as I told you, the tight junction are not that tight. Water follows sodium ions. Suppose that in a lumen, sodium is reabsorbed, water is reabsorbed. What happens? Urea concentration increases, chloride concentration increases. It causes both to be increased, to be reabsorbed, but it passively. No question?
Why would urea increase?
Urea, we need urea for formation of concentrated urine.
Why would it increase there?
Let me talk about that tomorrow. Okay? We will talk about urea in more detail. Okay? What can I talk about this slide? It shows the shape of cells in different parts of nephron. Pay attention to the cell in the proximal tubule. Cell in the proximal tubule. When a cell is thick, it means it is metabolically active.
I think I know that the proximal tubule one has more of those
Mitochondria,
No, the feet like.
brush border.
Yes, it has. Yes, and the more
Apical
those slit pores, it has more slit
And what's
pores.
the importance of brush border?
Increase the surface area for more
Surface
absorption.
area, okay, in order to
Increase
actually
absorption.
contain a lot of molecules, protein for reabsorption. Here. Thin descending limb. Cell is thin. It means there is no active transport. Okay, here, cell is thin. Here, thick ascending limb. Cell are thicker. It means we have active transport. Here, it is true about distal tubule, but regarding collecting tubule, it means active transport. There is no active transport. Was it clear? It means 65% of water and 65% of solute, thank you, or reabsorb here. Reabsorb substances and secreted substances. You know about hydrogen secretion, sodium hydrogen exchanger. Read this one next. It is regarding secretion by the proximal tubule. Organic acid, organic bases, biocides, oxalate, urate, catecholamines, harmful drugs, okay, are secreted, diuretics, and para-hypochlorite acid. We will talk about PAP. Okay, these are secreted in proximal tubule. This slide is very, very important. Okay. This axis shows tubular fluid to plasma concentration. For sodium and water and osmolarity, it is 1. What does it mean? It means during total proximal tubule length, during different parts of proximal tubule, water and sodium are reabsorbed together. For this reason, osmolarity remains 1. Was it clear?
Yeah.
Their values less than 1 means these are reabsorbed more than sodium and water. Okay, more than sodium as well. Bicarbonate, glucose, and amino acid. As I told you, 100% of amino acids and glucose are reabsorbed in the length of proximal tubule. Concentration in actually tubule decreases, and it is true about bicarbonate ion. And the numbers above 1, more than 1 means
Not reabsorbed.
not reabsorption
Secreted.
or secretion. Got it? For example, for urea and protein, reabsorption is less than water and, or there is secretion. Let me draw something in order to internalize in your mind. It's very important. Keep it in your mind. Okay. Woman's capsule. Proximal tubule, loop of Henle, thin descending, thin ascending, thick ascending, distal tubule, and collecting duct and collecting tubule. Okay. How many percent of water is reabsorbed in proximal tubule?
60%.
65%. How many water is reabsorbed through
5%.
thin descending limb? 20%. It means up to here, 85% of water is reabsorbed. Don't forget, after here, from here, okay, on, there is no
Absorption.
water reabsorption. Water is not reabsorbed at all. Okay? ADH. Do you know ADH? Anti-diuretic diuretic or ADP. Arginine vasopressin. Both are the same. ADH is the same as ADP. Okay. Suppose that now there is ADH. ADH is secreted when there is water deficiency. Got it? Suppose that there is ADH. What happens?
Absorption and those.
ADH has no effect on water reabsorption in proximal tube and teen descending limb. Does it have any effect on teen ascending limb? No. Teen ascending limb? No. Do you remember I told you distal tubule is divided into two parts. Early distal tubule, late distal tubule. Early distal tubule, teen ascending limb. Late distal tubule. Early distal tubule, when there is ADH. ADH increases water permeability? No. In early, no. After late distal tubule, ADH increases water
Absorption.
Got it?
Yes.
After late distal tubule, it means respond to ADH, respond to ADH, respond to ADH. On to the end of the got it? I might ask you, in the presence of, in the existence of ADH, which portion is not reabsorbed, for example, is not permeable to water
The earlier?
at all?
The early distal?
Teen descending limb,
It is.
it is permeable. In the existence or absence of ADH. Teen ascending limb, it's the answer, the correct answer. The correct answer is teen ascending limb or
Early
distal tubule. Got it? And regarding whether you know this figure, thick ascending limb. Okay, this slide shows thick ascending limb cells. Apical membrane, basolateral membrane. If I ask you regarding sodium potassium 2 chloride cotransporter is found in, you have to answer
Proximal.
apical membrane of thick ascending limb. Got it? Loop diuretics such as furosemide inhibit sodium potassium 2 chloride transporter. Got it?
Could you repeat that question that you just said?
Yes, if I ask you regarding the location of sodium potassium 2 chloride cotransporter, it is found in the apical membrane of
Stick and stick.
proximal. We are talking about thick ascending limb. We are here. Proximal is over. We are here. Do you want to talk about that tomorrow?
Yes.
I think you are tired. And tomorrow we will talk. Please be energetic for tomorrow. I heard the CR of the class. Please study chapter 31. Chapter 31 from my slides. Okay, my slides have notes. You can study from the slides. Be ready. You have to make groups, 6 or for example 5 or 6 student groups. Okay. And after that, I raise a question. You discuss about the question in your groups. All students who are present tomorrow, I will give them extra mark for all students who are present in TBL groups. Okay? Because TBL has extra mark because you are bothering, you are finding the answer. Ready? No question. Okay, and something else is that regarding the attendance, fear of the class.
Here.